Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In the realm of contemporary architecture, modern home outside designs have evolved into an integrating fusion of functionality, statistics, and environmental consciousness, embracing clean lines, minimalist concept, and innovative materials. These designs are reshaping the way we prescriptive residential exteriors. The focus lies on creating harmonious connections between the structure and its natural surroundings. Large floor to ceiling windows invite abundant natural light into the living spaces, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor areas. Sustainable features like green roofs, rainwater harvesting system, and solar panels exemplify the commitment to eco-friendly living. Steering from conventional norms, architects experiment with unconventional shapes, angles, and geometric patterns, adding a touch of uniqueness to each home. A seamless integration of open-air patios, deck, and landscaped gardens encourages residents to engage with nature and cherish moments of tranquility, striking a balance between form and function. Modern exterior design prioritizes practicality without compromising on design. Contemporary materials such as steel, concrete, glass, and reclaimed wood offer not just durability but also visual appeal. Embodying the essence of modernism, the focus on neutral color palettes with occasional pops of vibrant hues or natural tones further complements the overall elegance of the design. With the advent of technology, smart home features have seamlessly integrated into modern exteriors, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. In conclusion, modern home outside designs inspired a fresh perspective on residential living, embracing sustainable principles, sleek aesthetics, and a deep connection with nature. These innovative ideas reflect the ever changing landscape of architecture and pave the way for a future where style and ego consciousness harmoniously coexist. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.